What if there are places on Earth that are so creepy they've never been completely explored? Dark forests, haunted islands, and hidden caves, each keeping secrets too dreadful for most to even imagine. These places are not just isolated. They're places where the very air feels weird, where danger lurks around every corner. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the 15 scariest unexplored places on Earth, where only the fearless dare to go, and some never make it back. Number 15. Hannis Abyss. In the eastern Czech Republic, the Hannis Abyss is the deepest known flooded pit cave in existence. This karst sinkhole plunges to a confirmed depth of 1,543 feet, though studies suggest it may extend much farther, possibly exceeding half a kilometer below the surface. Located between the Bohemian Massif and the Western Carpathians, it is part of a region known for subterranean gas pockets trapped deep underground. The abyss's waters are highly acidic, visibility is poor, and the surrounding air often carries a pungent odor from escaping gases, making it a hostile environment. The dangerous conditions mean only elite divers and remotely operated submersibles have explored its depths. Scientists continue to investigate, seeking to understand its geological formation and the unique conditions within. Awe-inspiring yet treacherous, the Hannis Abyss remains a natural wonder that few dare to approach, its dark, uncharted lower reaches guarding secrets still hidden beneath Europe's murky waters. Number 14. Saka Republic. The Republic of Saka, also known as Yakutia, covers more than 20% of Russia's landmass, stretching deep into the Arctic Circle. This vast region is infamous for its brutal winters, where temperatures routinely fall between -40 and 60 degrees. Verkhoyansk holds the record for the coldest temperature above the Arctic Circle at -90 degrees. Most of the land is locked in permafrost year-round, making travel, construction, and agriculture exceptionally difficult. Yakutsk, the capital, is recognized as the coldest city on Earth, yet nearly 1 million residents endure these extreme conditions. Away from settlements, the landscape becomes a frozen wilderness of snowbound forests, icy rivers, and treeless tundra. Winters dominate the year, and isolation is a constant challenge. For explorers and locals alike, the Saka Republic offers a rare glimpse of life in one of Earth's harshest environments, a place where survival demands resilience and where the beauty of the frozen north is matched only by its unforgiving nature. Number 13. Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, aka the Devil's Triangle, is one of Earth's most infamous maritime mysteries. This vast stretch of ocean, bordered by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been linked to many unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. Some incidents have plausible explanations, while others remain unresolved, fueling decades of speculation. 1. Widely supported theory points to rogue waves, massive, unpredictable walls of water that can reach 100 feet high and obliterate vessels within moments. Such waves leave no debris, distress signals, or survivors. Alongside scientific theories are more fantastical ones, involving aliens or remnants of the lost civilization of Atlantis. These ideas, while unproven, add a layer of intrigue to an already compelling mystery. Whether caused by natural oceanic forces or something more enigmatic, the Bermuda Triangle remains a place where fact and legend intersect, its reputation enduring as one of the most captivating and unexplained maritime regions on the planet. Number 12. Mapimei Silent Zone. In the vast Chihuahua Desert of northern Mexico, you'll find the Mapimei Silent Zone. In simple words, it's a place that defies the natural order. Often compared to the Bermuda Triangle, this region has built its reputation on weird, unexplained events. Here, radio transmissions abruptly vanish, compasses whirl unpredictably, and meteorites appear to strike the area far more often than elsewhere. Scientists attribute the signal loss to large magnetite deposits, like iron-rich rock with magnetic properties, which are capable of disrupting radio waves. The meteorite frequency, however, remains less understood, fueling speculation. While researchers focus on geological explanations, others point to extraterrestrial involvement, adding an unsettling edge to the zone's mystery. The desert's dry heat, combined with its eerie quiet, draws those curious enough to seek answers. Whether the cause lies in science or something far stranger, the Mapimei Silent Zone continues to intrigue and unsettle, remaining one of Earth's most puzzling landscapes, an expanse where reason and speculation are locked in constant tension. Number 11. Kawwa Een Volcano. In Indonesia's East Java, the Kawwa Een Volcano hosts two of the world's most extraordinary natural phenomena. First is its sulfur vent field, where hot volcanic gases escape and ignite upon contact with oxygen, producing ghostly blue flames best seen at night. This eerie glow illuminates the surrounding slopes, creating a surreal, almost alien landscape. Equally striking is Kawwa Een's crater lake, over a kilometer wide and the largest acidic lake on Earth. Its vivid turquoise hue hides extreme acidity, with a pH sometimes as low as 0.5, caused by dissolved volcanic gases and metals. The water is so corrosive it can burn skin on contact, making it as dangerous as it is beautiful. Miners work the area despite the harsh conditions, extracting sulfur by hand from the toxic vents. This super-duper rare combination of volcanic fire and acidic water makes Kawwa Een one of the most unique and hazardous geological sites on the planet. Number 10. Yucatan Cenotes. The Yucatan Peninsula is home to thousands of cenotes, which are basically natural sinkholes formed when limestone bedrock collapses, exposing the groundwater below. Estimates suggest around 6,000 exist, though only a small portion have been mapped or opened to exploration. These water-filled caverns, often linked by submerged tunnels, attract divers from around the world. For the ancient Maya, cenotes were sacred, believed to be gateways to the underworld. Archaeological finds within them include human remains, pottery, and ritual offerings. Many cenotes remain hidden in dense jungle, their entrances concealed by thick vegetation. Those open to visitors reveal crystal-clear water, intricate rock formations, and shafts of light filtering into the depths. Yet they can also be treacherous for the unprepared. With most of this vast underground network still unexplored, the cenotes of Yucatan remain one of Earth's most captivating blends of natural beauty, cultural history, and enduring mystery. It's amazing, isn't it? Number 9. Vale do Javari. The Vale do Javari, or Javari Valley, is one of the most untouched spots on the planet. Bordering Peru and Colombia, this vast expanse covers over 85,000 square kilometers, larger than Austria, but is home to only a few thousand indigenous people. Many of these tribes remain completely uncontacted, making the region a stronghold of cultural preservation. Seasonal flooding from the Amazon River, coupled with dense forest and swampy terrain, makes travel nearly impossible. The Brazilian government enforces strict protection, banning outsiders to safeguard both the tribes and the fragile ecosystem. This isolation has allowed wildlife to flourish, with rare species inhabiting the untouched rainforest. The Vale do Javari holds the highest concentration of uncontacted groups anywhere on Earth. Its inaccessibility ensures that life here remains as it was centuries ago, offering a rare glimpse into both ancient human culture and pristine Amazonian biodiversity, untouched by the encroachment of modern civilization. Number 8. Hill of Crosses. In northern Lithuania stands a site that blends deep religious significance with a haunting visual presence. The hill is densely covered with hundreds of thousands of crosses, each representing faith, remembrance, or resistance. This tradition began in the mid-19th century as a way to honor those lost in uprisings against Russian rule. During the Soviet era, authorities repeatedly destroyed the crosses in an effort to suppress religion, but locals defiantly rebuilt them. often under the cover of night. Today, the site is both a place of pilgrimage and a powerful symbol of resilience. Visitors encounter a forest of wooden and metal crosses, rosaries, and religious statues, their sheer number creating a striking, almost surreal atmosphere. While peaceful, the Hill of Crosses carries the weight of history, representing the perseverance of a people determined to preserve their identity and beliefs despite decades of political and cultural oppression. Number 7. The Empty Quarter. The Empty Quarter, or Rub al-Khali, is the largest uninterrupted sand desert on Earth, spanning much of the southern Arabian Peninsula. Covering an area roughly equal to France, it is a realm of endless dunes sculpted by relentless winds. Summer temperatures can exceed 122 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the hottest places on the planet. Despite its barren appearance, nomadic Bedouin tribes have traversed this landscape for centuries, relying on scattered oases for survival. The desert supports surprisingly diverse life, plants and animals specially adapted to endure its scorching days and frigid nights. Nights here unveil dazzling star-filled skies, untouched by urban light. The Empty Quarter's remote expanse remains largely unexplored, its vastness and harsh climate deterring all but the most determined travelers. It stands as a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of Earth's deserts, a place where endurance and adaptability are essential, and where both life and silence stretch beyond the horizon. Number 6. Lake Vostok. Lake Vostok is the largest known subglacial lake on Earth. Trapped under nearly 4 kilometers of solid ice, it has remained isolated for around 15 million years. Completely sealed off from sunlight and the external atmosphere, it exists under extreme pressure, freezing temperatures, and nutrient scarcity. Scientists are fascinated by the possibility of unique microbial life adapted to these hostile conditions, which could offer clues to life on icy worlds beyond Earth. Access is a formidable challenge. Drilling through the thick ice risks contaminating the pristine ecosystem. Even specialized drilling fluids could compromise any findings. Despite the dangers, research continues cautiously, aiming to unlock its secrets without harming its untouched environment. Hidden from view for millennia, Lake Vostok remains one of our planet's most intriguing natural laboratories, a place where biology, geology, and planetary science converge beneath Antarctica's frozen surface, offering a rare glimpse into life's resilience in the harshest conditions imaginable. Number 5. Danakille Depression. The Danakille Depression in Ethiopia is among the most extreme environments on Earth. Situated over 100 meters below sea level, it combines blistering heat, volcanic activity, and unusual geological formations. Temperatures frequently exceed 122 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the hottest inhabited places on the planet. The area's mineral-rich hot springs and sulfur deposits create vivid shades of yellow, green, and white, while acid ponds and salt flats enhance its alien appearance. Despite its beauty, it is hostile to life. Acidic pools are lethal, and sulfur fumes can be deadly if inhaled. Yet extremophiles, microorganisms adapted to severe heat and acidity, thrive here, offering scientists insights into life's resilience. Accessing the Danakille Depression is physically demanding and potentially dangerous, but it remains an extraordinary example of Earth's extremes. Both mesmerizing and perilous, it stands as a rare place where geology, biology, and survival intertwine in one of the harshest landscapes imaginable. Number 4. Devon Island. In Canada's Arctic archipelago lies Devon Island, the largest uninhabited island on Earth, spanning 55,247 square kilometers. Its barren, rocky surface and extreme climate mirror conditions on Mars so closely that NASA uses it as a training ground for planetary exploration. With temperatures well below freezing for most of the year and no permanent human settlement, Devon Island offers an unparalleled environment for simulating extraterrestrial missions. Astronauts conduct geological surveys, equipment testing, and survival training here, gaining experience that may one day be applied on Mars. The island also hosts the Houghton Mars Project Research Station, where scientists study how humans and technology perform in remote, isolated conditions. Wildlife is scarce, limited to resilient Arctic species. Its vast, desolate landscape, scarred by an ancient impact crater, feels otherworldly, yet it is entirely earthbound. Devon Island remains a vital link between our planet and the possibilities of space exploration, bridging the gap between imagination and future interplanetary missions. Number 3. Amazon Rainforest. The Amazon rainforest spans over 5.5 million square kilometers across 9 South American countries, dominating the continent's northern half. It holds unparalleled biodiversity, with millions of species of plants, animals, and insects, many yet to be documented. The Amazon River, one of the longest and most powerful in the world, flows through this dense, complex ecosystem. Navigation is challenging. Thick canopy conceals the ground, and dense undergrowth makes progress slow and exhausting. For centuries, it has remained partly unexplored, with isolated indigenous tribes still living in untouched regions. In 2011, explorers confirmed the presence of uncontacted communities in the Vale du Javari, highlighting the rainforest's continuing mystery. Beyond its ecological significance, the Amazon is a vital regulator of the Earth's climate, producing vast amounts of oxygen and storing immense carbon reserves. It remains one of the planet's last great frontiers, where nature's complexity and resilience continue to surpass human understanding. If you love life, then avoid this jungle. Number 2. Tanzi Mountains. Located in China's Wulingyuan scenic area, the Tanzi Mountains are renowned for their towering sandstone pillars and the 4 wonders that define the region. Among them, the Sea of Clouds transforms the landscape into a dreamlike expanse, with mist swirling around jagged peaks. Seasonal changes bring equally spectacular views, from golden autumn sunsets to snow-dusted winter spires. The mountains challenge even experienced hikers with their steep ascents and narrow trails. One of the most enigmatic spots is Shentang Gulf, mist-shrouded, inaccessible chasm said to hold a pristine pool untouched by human presence. Reaching it requires descending a natural ladder, a feat few attempt. From summit viewpoints, the valleys below resemble a vast ocean of clouds, broken only by the sharp silhouettes of the peaks. The Tanzi Mountains stand as a testament to China's geological beauty, offering a harmonious blend of natural grandeur, seasonal transformation, and landscapes that inspire awe in all who witness them. Number 1. Namib Desert. Stretching along Namibia's western edge, this desert is one of the oldest and most visually striking deserts on Earth. Spanning nearly 1,000 miles, its endless golden dunes and salt pans create an awe-inspiring landscape recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The word Namib means vast or empty in several local languages, perfectly describing its boundless, desolate nature. Rainfall here is so scarce that the land appears frozen in time, unchanged for millennia. Despite these extremes, nomadic tribes such as the Nama and Herero have adapted to its harsh environment for centuries. The Namib is also rich in resources, holding the world's largest diamond deposits along its coastal regions. Its unique wildlife, like the desert-adapted elephants and oryx, has evolved remarkable survival traits. Remote, untamed, and unforgiving, the Namib Desert remains largely untouched, offering those who dare to explore it both breathtaking vistas and a rare glimpse of nature's resilience in one of the planet's most extreme environments. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.